Here are some kitchen hacks you wish you'd known by age 30. 1. If your rice turns into porridge, place a slice of bread on top and heat it for another 2 minutes. The bread will absorb the excess moisture. 2. Wondering what to do with the leftover black oil after frying food at home? Mix a spoonful of starch with a spoonful of water until well combined. Heat the oil until it's 60% hot, then add the mixture. It will absorb impurities in the oil. Once the starch solidifies, remove it and notice how the oil has cleared up. 3. If there's too much oil in the soup when you're having hot pot, put some ice cubes in a soup spoon. Swirl the spoon in the soup, and the cooling oil will stick to it. 4. Never defrost frozen meat by soaking it directly in water. Instead, learn how to thaw it in 3 minutes. Sprinkle 300 grains of salt and 20 milliliters of vinegar on it, then soak in warm water for 3 minutes. The defrosted meat will be even tastier than fresh meat. 5. Bananas that are not eaten quickly can go bad. Wrap the stem in a plastic bag and it will stay fresh for a very long time. 6. If you bought too many potatoes and can't eat them all, store them with an apple to prevent sprouting. 7. Pour boiling water over fish to easily remove the skin. 8. To perfectly shell a shrimp, stick a fork into the shell and pull. 9. Place a lobster under a towel and press down on both sides to easily remove the meat in one piece. If you haven't learned these tips yet, be sure to save them.